So these are all the parts here that we've got for the Oneida Phoenix. First, we're going to start with these aluminum rods, these rubber stirrups here, these cable brackets, and the string stop. Put together, that makes up the suppression system that we use on our Phoenix. Next, we're going to move to the aluminum timing wheels. These are a little bit different than what we use on the Osprey. The wheel is completely made out of aluminum, and you've got slotted slots here to where the draw stop can go in there. That is adjustable. On this aluminum timing wheel, you have the same thing as the Osprey, the take-up where the timing cable gets spooled up in there, and the set screw that goes with that to tighten that down. We're going to move up here to the idle wheels and the idler axles. These go on the bow, to which these timing cables run across up and down the riser. This would be your cam and your cam pin. As you can see, the pin is already pushed into this cam, and together they make, one cam on either side of the bow. This is your orange timing screw and your tensioning hub. This goes into one side of the cam, the slotted side to where it screws in. For right-handed bows, it's going to be on the top, and for the left, it's going to be on the bottom. This is your grips. Over here is your outboard limb. This is your saddle, which goes on top of your outboard limb with the saddle screw. The end cap in which the power limb sits in. The weight bolt, the omni washer, and the fiber washers together. They all go together into the riser to tighten down the power limb to determine weight. You got your nut bar, the two screws that go through the nut bar and through your power limb that connect to the hinge, which connects to the outboard limb, and these two screws go into the outboard to connect to the other side of the hinge. All together, that gives you a full limb completion. Up here we have our yoke cable and our power cable. The power cable is uncoated. It's going to run through the hinge, and the yoke cable, the coated one, is going to run around the outboard along the saddle.